Hi guys, today we will explain about Clipchamp templates. Mean what kind of templates Clipchamp have and can you use it for your purposes like if you are a YouTuber or you are a TikTok video creator. You are interested in Instagram Reels. Can you use Clipchamp templates for your personal need? So let's explore this one. This one is the first interface of Clipchamp application, and if I scroll down, here you can see get inspired with a template. Here you will see multiple templates like YouTube, Instagram, gaming, slideshow, celebrations. But these are not enough. In order to expand all these, click on the option All Templates. Here you will find multiple templates. And also these are the customizable templates, not just a template. You can customize each and single template according to your need. You can change the music in this template and also you can replace it with your own video and also you can add your own text. So first, we will expand the categories of templates which are available in Clipchamp. So here on the top, you can see all the templates. This one is YouTube, Instagram, intro and outro template. Also the gaming, if you are a gamer, a deep gamer, not just a gamer. Then these templates are very useful for you. But also here are some more templates. If I click on this arrow, you can see some more templates of TikTok, also the Minecraft template, plus Facebook ads. So these were the categories of templates, and if I scroll down here you will find the YouTube templates. If I click on the option see all, here you will find all the YouTube templates, and let's click on the option see all. In this window you will find YouTube templates. If I scroll down you will find multiple templates which are useful for your YouTube videos. As I said before, these are the customizable templates, not just a template. So first I will open a random one to show you how can you customize this. In order to show, I will click a random one and tap on the option use this template. And before going here, you can see this one is for only 14 seconds. And also they mention the ratio. So click on the option use this template. Now it will take some time to load all its media. Here you can see all the media is now downloading because I am downloading it for the first time. So after waiting for a while, all the media which is used in this template is downloaded. Now let me play it for a while so you can see everything clearly, and after watching it, I will show you how can you customize it. So here you can see the option of game highlights. If I take the timeline on this, so if I click on this one, here I can customize this thing, games highlight. In order to customize text, take a look on the right side. Here you can see the option of text. Just click on it. And here you can see game highlights. And the font which are used is Montserrat. Now in order to change this game highlights, tap on this and write your text. After writing here, this one is also changed. And now you can also change the font plus size. Also you can change the text color and background color. Now let me click on it. So this one is the background which is used in this text. Below to it the video. If I click on it and they will delete it, here you can see the video has been deleted. Now let me take the timeline to where the transition is added. So here is the transition. If I click on this option, here you can see the transition which is used in this template. In order to change it, simply click on it and choose the next transition which you want to apply between these two clips. This one is the background music. If I click on it, and here you can also customize the volume of your music and also you can apply the noise suppression. In order to change, you have to delete this one and add that which you want in your video. Let me take the timeline to the last. This one is thanks for watching, and if I take my mouse cursor here, you can see it's a sticker. If I click on it, the thanks for watching is selected. I can also delete it by clicking on the option delete, and here you can see it's deleted. It was the basic way by which you can customize your template in Clipchamp. Let me go back and we will explore some more templates of Clipchamp. Now we are back on the template section. If I scroll down here, you will find Instagram plus intro and outro templates. Basically, intro and outro templates are useful for your YouTube videos. You can apply this on the start and at the end of your video. If I scroll down here, as I can say before, if you are a gamer, then in Clipchamp, you will get all the gaming templates. Not all, but mostly which are very useful for your YouTube content. This one is the corporate template. This one is slideshow. One more thing here is I can find the Minecraft template. Minecraft gaming is very popular these days. So these were the templates provided by the Clipchamp, and I show you how can you customize it for your need. Hope this video was helpful and it was the way by which you can customize templates in Clipchamp.